Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
The fetal heartbeat doesn't cause early pregnancy symptoms. Symptoms like nausea, fatigue, and breast tenderness happen because of hormonal changes, especially rising progesterone and HCG levels. Hearing the heartbeat is exciting, but your symptoms depend on how your body responds to these hormones in the first weeks.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.